Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3 and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to uninstall applications from your watch, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the second way is to do it through the phone application, a Zap application on the phone that is paired with your watch. I'm going to show you both. So let's get started. To uninstall the applications directly on the watch, you simply wake up the screen, open the menu by swiping left on the home screen, then scroll through the menu, look for the icon of the app you want to remove, press and hold on it to open the editing mode. And once you enter the edit mode, you will see that some of the icons have this minus icon on them. That means you can remove them from your watch. You can tap on it, tap on delete, and the app will be removed. And then you can press the back button, I believe, to go back and exit the editing mode. And if you want to use the phone application, you open the Zap application, go to device, go to App Store, tap on mine, and here on more. And we have the list of applications installed on our watch, and you can tap on the app you don't want to, no, never mind, you can tap on the pen icon in the top right corner, then select the app you want to remove, then tap delete and tap on OK, and the app will be removed from your watch. So if we open the menu, the app should be gone as well, as you can see. And that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.